Good morning, dear children. This is your assistant teacher. Now take out your civics textbook and open chapter number 5, Panchayati Raj. So, dear children, as you know that yesterday we have seen about the Panchayat Raj. Okay, so we have also seen there were one Gram Sabha held in a village. Okay, and one villager named Tija begins the meeting by saying the water problem in Hardas has become very acute. Okay, and the hand pump water has gone well below the point up to which the ground has been drilled. Okay, the panchayat and panch, they just given a solution for this. Okay, they are just trying to solve this problem, water problem. Okay, and they are just trying to make a pipe from the river, but it was that was very much expensive. Okay, so they said, so they dropped that option. And then also they just suggested that we have to just dig well, okay, again, and to get more and more water. Okay, then uh, another member, the Anwar, tells everyone that he has seen ways to conserving water. Okay, that means they used water conserving method in their village. Okay, so first of all, let's see the what is Gram Sabha. Okay, so in the meeting of the Gram Sabha, so far what are the problems that are being discussed, what sort of solution are being suggested. Okay, for example, the Gram Sabha is just like our court. Okay, and in Gram Sabha there will be one panchayat, there will be one sarpanch and a panch. Okay, lots of panch are there. Okay, and they just to one meeting, and they solved problems of villagers. Okay, and also gives the solution, okay, of that for that problems. The next item on the agenda for the Gram Sabha is the finalization of the list of people below the poverty line. Okay, the most important work of the Gram Panchayat is to divide the people, distribute people. Okay, according to their, according to their level. Okay, according to the poverty level, poverty line. Okay, which had to approved by the Gram Sabha. As soon as the list is read out, people began to whisper. Natwar has just bought a color TV and his son has sent him a new motorcycle. How can he below the poverty line? Okay, that means they in Gram Sabha they have to select the group that is below the poverty line and above the poverty line. Okay, the people who are little rich, they comes under the above the poverty line, and which is not that much rich, poor, very much poor people comes below the poverty line. And all the, you can say, the facilities or free facilities given to them by the Gram Panchayat. Okay, so they have discussed that the Natwar, the one villager who is having color TV in his home, and his son also sent a new bicycle for him. Okay, so, sorry, motorcycle for him. So how can he be below the poverty line? Okay, so Surajmal mutters to the person sitting next to him. Saroj says to Sukhi Bai, how did Birju names get on the list? He has so much land. This list should be have only poor people. Okay, and Om Prakash is landless laborer who can barely make ends meet, yet his name is not at the list. You know that both Natwa and Birju are friends of Amrichand. Okay, Amirchand, who can counter Amirchand's power. Okay, Sukhi's Bai says Amirchand was the earlier zamindar. Okay, that is landowner of the village and still has control over a lot of land, but we should get Om Prakash name put in. Okay, so that means they are discussing with each other that who can be in the list of poverty line, and who are able to do their work, who are poor, who are rich. Okay, who must be in the poverty, above the poverty line. Okay, so they are just discussing about the list. The Sarpanch Panchayat president notices people whispering and asks if anyone has anything to say. Saroj tries to provoke Surajmal to ask about the Natwar and Birju, but he keeps quiet. Okay, that so when the Sarpanch he heard that people are whispering to each other, they're talking to each other, that means he just there must have been some problem, okay, regarding to the poverty line. So Sarpanch just asked to everyone that is there any problem, okay, regarding to the poverty line. Then just whispering, and then Surajmal, that means the Saroj, that is he's provoking the Surajmal, that just he just saying that Surajmal that say something on this, but Surajmal and Saroj kept quiet. But he keeps quiet. Amir Chand is sitting in the Gram Sabha, keeping one eye on everyone. Okay, the Saroj gets up and says that Om Prakash name should be in the BPL list. Okay, because he was very poor. Others agree that he and his family are very poor. The Sarpanch asked how his name had been missed out. The person who did the survey of BPL. Then the family says Om Prakash house was locked when I went there. He may have gone somewhere to look for work. The Sarpanch gives instruction that Om Prakash family income be looked at, and if it is less than what has been decided by the government, his name should be included in the list. So they are discussing that how it is possible that his name was not there on the poverty, on the poverty line list. So they are saying, they said that our family went there, okay, but his house was locked, okay, at that time. So they just left, okay, and his name was left from there, from that list. Okay, so was there a problem with BPL list that Gram Sabha was finalizing? What was this problem? So yes, there was problem in BPL list because the one name of person, his name is Prakash, okay, was missing because he was very poor. Still his name was not there. Okay, then why do you think Surajmal kept quiet even though Suraj asked him to speak? Because he was scared for that Amir Chand, because he was very, you can say, the very renowned person and bossy person. So everyone everyone in the village scared of him, okay, and they just preferred keep quiet. Then, have you seen any similar incident when people are unable to speak for themselves? Yes, we can see many of people who are unable to speak, okay, because of some condition, because of some fear, okay. And why do you think that happened, and what prevented the person from speaking? Maybe it is happened because of the lack of confidence also, okay. Some people just must prefer to be quiet, okay. And how can the Gran Sabha prevent the panchayat from doing what it likes, okay? So Gram Sabha can take a good decision, can take a very very good decision, and he couldn't get biased, okay. So this was the best solution for all this, okay. So dear children, this is it for today's video. Tomorrow we will again discuss about the Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha. So if you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.